Are you a teenager dreaming of becoming a millionaire? Here are 7 game-changing money tips that can help turn your dream into a reality. Hello, and welcome to this video on 7 money tips for teenagers to make $1 million. As a teenager, it can be easy to focus on short-term goals such as socializing, academic success, and extracurricular activities. But it's never too early to start thinking about your long-term financial future. With the right mindset and a little bit of planning, you can set yourself up for financial success. In this video, we'll cover 7 money tips that can help you achieve your financial goals and make $1 million. Number 1. Start saving early. Starting to save early is the most important money tip for teenagers who want to build wealth and reach their financial goals. By saving even a small portion of their income, teenagers can take advantage of the power of compounding, which is the ability of an asset to generate earnings, which are then reinvested to generate their own earnings. This means that the earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow, and the more significant your savings can become over time. Even small amounts of money saved regularly can add up to a substantial sum over the years. Moreover, starting to save early can also help teenagers develop the habit of saving, which can serve them well through their lives. By prioritizing saving and making it a regular part of their routine, teenagers can establish a healthy financial foundation that can help them achieve their long-term financial goals. Number 2. Invest your money. Investing your money is a crucial step towards building wealth as a teenager. When you invest your money, you're putting it to work for you, earning you a return that can be much higher than the interest earned on a savings account. Investing can help you grow your money faster, allowing you to reach your financial goals sooner. There are many investment options available to teenagers, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. It's important to do your research and choose an investment that matches your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment time frame. Consulting with a financial advisor or seeking advice from a trusted source can also help you make informed investment decisions. Investing can be risky, and it's important to remember that all investments come with some level of risk. However, by diversifying your portfolio, investing in low-risk options, and focusing on long-term investment strategies, you can minimize your risk and maximize your potential returns. Number 3. Make a budget. Creating and sticking to a budget is a crucial step towards financial success for teenagers. By making a budget, you can track your income and expenses and identify areas where you can cut back on spending to save money. When creating a budget, start by listing all of your income sources, such as allowance, part-time job income, or gifts. Then make a list of all your expenses, including fixed expenses like rent or phone bills, as well as variable expenses like food and entertainment. Once you have a clear idea of your income and expenses, you can create a spending plan that allows you to save money and achieve your financial goals. Sticking to a budget can be challenging, but there are many tools and resources available to help you stay on track. Consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your spending by identifying areas where you can cut back. By making a budget and staying disciplined, you can take control of your finances and set yourself up for a bright financial future. Number 4. Live below your means. Living below your means is a critical component of achieving financial success as a teenager. This means spending less than you earn and avoiding unnecessary expenses that can derail your financial goals. By living below your means, you can build savings, reduce debt, and invest in your future. To live below your means, start by distinguishing between needs and wants. Needs are essential expenses that you can't live without, such as food, housing, and transportation. Wants, on the other hand, are non-essential expenses, such as luxury items or entertainment that you can live without. By prioritizing your needs and limiting your wants, you can keep your expenses under control and free up more money to save and invest. Additionally, it's essential to avoid lifestyle inflation, which is the tendency to spend more money as your income increases. Instead, aim to maintain a frugal lifestyle and invest any extra income into your financial goals. By living below your means and avoiding lifestyle inflation, you can build a strong financial foundation and achieve your long-term financial goals. Number 5. Start a business. Starting a business as a teenager can be a great way to make money and gain valuable entrepreneurial skills. With the rise of e-commerce and social media, it's easier than ever to start a business from home, even with minimal startup capital. When starting a business, it's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and have knowledge in. This will help you to stay motivated and interested in your business, which is essential for long-term success. Additionally, you should conduct market research to determine the demand for your product or service and create a business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Starting a business can also teach you important skills such as marketing, budgeting, and customer service, which can be valuable assets in future job applications or entrepreneurial endeavors. With dedication and hard work, starting a business can be a fulfilling and financially rewarding venture for teenagers. Number 6. Stay away from debt. Staying away from debt is a crucial money tip for teenagers who want to achieve financial success. Debt can be a major obstacle to building wealth and can result in high interest payments that drain your finances. To avoid debt, start by living within your means and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Additionally, be cautious when using credit cards and other types of loans, and make sure you understand the terms and conditions before taking on any debt. If you do find yourself in debt, it's essential to take action to pay it off as soon as possible. Consider creating a debt repayment plan that prioritizes high-interest debts and includes a timeline for paying off each debt. Additionally, seek advice from a financial advisor or credit counselor if you're struggling to manage your debt. By staying away from debt and managing your finances responsibly, you can set yourself up for financial success and avoid the stress and financial burden that debt can bring. Number 7. Start a side hustle. Starting a side hustle is a great way for teenagers to make extra money and gain valuable work experience. A side hustle can be anything from selling handmade crafts to offering pet sitting services or freelancing in a skill like writing or web design. Starting a side hustle can help you build your skills and experience, which can be valuable assets in future job applications or entrepreneurial endeavors. Additionally, a side hustle can be a great way to earn extra income that can be used to invest, save, or pay off debt. When starting a side hustle, it's important to choose a venture that aligns with your skills and interests. You should also conduct market research to determine the demand for your product or service and create a business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. With dedication and hard work, starting a side hustle can be a fulfilling and financially rewarding venture for teenagers. By investing time and effort in a side hustle, you can gain valuable skills, make extra money, and set yourself up for a bright financial future. Well, this is it for today's video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. By implementing these tips, you can take control of your finances and work towards achieving your financial goals. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching.